welcome back. So last year also I made this video of Rakhi outfit ideas. If you have not watched it, you can click here or here. I will link it somewhere. जाके देख लो. So this time also I decided to do one. Now I have styled some of the pieces from that video because I feel number one, it is absolutely fine to repeat clothes, and number two, if I like something, I'm going to wear it for like 100 times. So let's begin.
So the first outfit that I have chosen is this red anarkali kurta. It has beautiful golden borders on its sleeves. Personally, I have always loved the combination of red and gold together. So I think this is just perfect. The fabric is cotton, so it is quite wearable. Also has pretty intricate designs. With this, I decided to wear my golden jhumkas. Also, I have worn simple black leggings and golden kolhapuri chappals to match. And with this, you are ready. So now let's hop on to the next one. So this is the second option. It is again a long anarkali kurta with bell sleeves. And here I am going to wear this as a dress. As you can see, it is a bit loose in the tummy area, so I am just going to wear a belt and it is done. Now to match with the dress, I am going to wear these earrings, and I think it goes perfectly with the vibe of this dress. I think you can probably make out how much I love the bell sleeves. Now time for footwear. So I'm going to wear my blue heels with this. And that is it. The next one is for you if you don't want to wear anything traditional. The basic combination of a kurta and jeans. Here I am wearing this kurta, which is my absolute favorite. I got it stitched from my mama's old sari. It is a short fitted kurta, and to go with it I am just wearing my trusty blue denims. With this I decided to pair my big hoop earrings and bellies for the shoes. Next up is a print on print combination. Both of these pieces were bought separately, but they have similar color schemes, so I decided to pair them together. Here you can see it looks very simple that you can wear on a casual day also. But just by accessorizing, I think it can simply change your game. I think now you can surely make a difference. So this is it for the fourth look. Now let's hop on to the next one. So this one is a classic white on white combination that so many people are wearing these days. So this is a white kurta that I had in my closet, and the palazzo belongs to my mom. With this I have simply paired silver earrings. And with this I am going to pair colorful dupattas. One of the option is this grey one with sequins on it. And also I have the second option, that is this one, which I think looks amazing. Now honestly I'm too confused. I don't know which one looks better. So let me know in the comments down below which one suits me better. Coming up to the last one, but not the least. Here I am wearing this white crop top Now this crop top belongs to my sister, so if you're watching Didi, hi, thanks. The color combination looks great together, but I still feel there is something lacking, so I decided to wear this big chunky necklace that I have. So we are done with this look, which brings an end to this video. Let me know in the comments down below which one did you like the most. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.